Hi everyone, my name is Katherine and I am a dietetic intern here at CSS, and today we will be making homemade pickles. For this recipe, you will need 1 cucumber, half a cup of water, half a cup of vinegar. You can do any type of vinegar you have, and today I will be doing apple cider vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bay leaf, 2 sprigs of dill, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. You will also need a whisk, a mixing bowl, and a mason jar with a lid. The first step is to cut your cucumber. You can cut your cucumber into slices for pickle chips, or you could cut it into spears. You will then add all of your pickles into your mason jar. You want to make sure that they are packed tightly and they are all standing up straight. In your mixing bowl, you're going to add your vinegar, you're going to add your water, and you're going to add all of your dry spices. You're going to whisk all of these ingredients together until the sugar and the salt is dissolved. You're going to add your 2 cloves of garlic to your mason jar. You are also going to add your dill, and you are going to add your bay leaf. You are then going to pour your liquid in the mason jar all the way to the top. Finally, you're going to add your lid and make sure it is closed very tight. You're going to put your pickles into the fridge for at least 3 hours. You can then enjoy your pickles for up to 3 weeks. Thank you for learning how to make homemade pickles with me today.